Hundreds of people made money today. Hundreds, over 500 people made money live with me today.
Let me go. Let me go, baby.
Good morning, guys. It's currently 6:59 a.m. Just woke up, got ready for school. It's a dress down day, and decided to come down to the office real quick. I had a few swing positions open, so I just wanted to keep an eye on them. See they look pre-market. I'm about to go to school, trade. Come with me. We'll go over some of my trading journals, my trading breakdown, and let's have a good day. Take you guys with me. The thing I want to go over that's absolutely insane is, you know you're in the right industry when you made $3,000 yesterday and there's somebody that made $2 million. The sky is truly the limit. Like $2 million in one day. It's absolutely insane. There we go. Come on, baby. Dump it for us, Google. Oh my gosh, Google. Google, baby. We're under pre-market lows. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm taking another trim here. I trimmed here. I trimmed here. I trimmed here. I trimmed here. 75%, baby. 75%. I do this. Let's go. I'm literally in school right now. We're up 75%, 80%. I'm in school. Who else does this? Nobody. Nobody. Let's go. Let's freaking go. 100% here. Let me get some W's in the chat if you caught that with me. Let me get some W's in the chat if you caught that with me. YouTube Live, Google, 100% on these puts. 100%. Who made money with me? W's in the chat, baby. W's in the chat. Who caught this Google with me over 100%? Alerted with entry and exit. Let's go. Yo, you guys are going insane right now. Holy crap. Absolutely crushed Google today. It was insane. Check this out. Google, we retested VWAP. We were the weakest stock compared to all the other ones. SPY was ripping, Google was dipping. So I knew if SPY dipped, Google was going to dip with it. What's this? This is a bear flag. Since down and then the consolidation. Consolidation after I moved down to bear flag. Took the VWAP retest. Added more and we broke pre-market low. Sold at my target right here. Absolutely insane trade. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Let's just say we crushed it today. Look at all these W's in the chat. Look at all these W's. Look how many people made money. Hundreds of people made money today. Hundreds. Over 500 people made money live with me today. That's an insane feeling. Like, I love trading, but trading is not my passion. My passion is helping others. My passion is changing other people's lives, giving them what they never thought they could have before. Financial freedom, time freedom. Giving them that factor where they don't have to worry about finances for the rest of their life because they learn how to trade. And that's the truth with trading, is like, once you learn it, you're set. You're set. Like, I truly believe if I were to restart and if I were put in a position where I lost everything and all I had was a phone, I would make it all back. I would make it all back because I know how to trade. I know the system. I know in the long run this will work for me. And I've built the discipline in my head. I've built the rule set in my pen. So that's the beauty of trading, and it's so nice to help so many people make money. I love it. By the way, today was so annoying trading. There was like 30 kids around me, just surrounding me the whole time, coming up to me, asking me questions, and it's so hard to focus sometimes, but I just have to do it. I have no other option. It's just like when I was trading, I had no option. I had to make it. It's like this. I have no option. I have to do it. All right, guys. So we're about to eat some lunch. This is what it's looking like. I don't go to lunch. I usually just work a little bit and take care of what I got to take care of. We got lettuce wraps, lettuce, and some snacks, stuff like that. I'm on a very, very strict diet right now. So chicken, lettuce wraps. I'm on a very strict diet. It's literally straight carnivore diet. All I'm eating is proteins. I can't have any processed sugar. I can't have any other fats, no gluten, no dairy, no carbs, nothing. I have this like a yeast infection. So I'm clearing my whole gut out for the next 30 days and then taking these medicine for the next few months. It's tough, really tough. I literally can't eat anything. It's just protein, chicken and broccoli and steak every single day. It's annoying, but yeah, guys. So that's how we're looking right now. I'm gonna eat. I have a meeting at 11:30, so I have like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back to class. Talk soon. There you go. Paid.
It's the cost of doing business expenses. I'm off from my other class, as you guys can see. I've just been here working. I took a few meetings. This is like the lobby area, and off to English class, religion class, math class. Then I gotta get home. I have some more meetings. Gonna go to the gym, and we'll see. Gonna review some setups and do a little trading lesson after once again. Not gonna lie, beautiful view of my school. Okay guys, so I got home at school around 3 o'clock. I had a call at 4 o'clock, so from 3 to 4 I kind of chilled. I actually watched the market close. I just hopped off a 3-hour call. A 3-hour call. It was just, I don't know, like there's just some calls where, let me give you guys a tip in business. Like when you can learn something from somebody, you want to try and learn as much as you possibly can and pick their brain as much as you can. So that's kind of how it is for me. I always am trying to learn as much as I possibly can. And it's literally 7:03 p.m. and I was on that call for 3 hours. 3 hours. So now I'm gonna make some content, make some tweets. Maybe I'm gonna make an Instagram video too. And yeah, just never stop learning. Never stop learning, especially in trading. Like I'm a student of the markets forever. You never master the markets. You're always a student of the markets, no matter how good you are. No matter what level student you are, you're always a student. You're always gonna be able to learn, and you always need to be able to be open to learning. That's why having a low ego is so important, and not having high egos, especially in trading, because of how much you need to learn, how much you need to accept that you're wrong, and the amount of times that you're going to have to tell yourself that you made a mistake. And it's okay to accept a mistake. That's one of the biggest reasons traders fail, is they can't take their ego out of trading and they can't accept that they're wrong. When in reality, the best trader is not the best winner. The best trader is the best loser. So you have to accept you're wrong and learn from it. Truly learn from it. Don't say, yeah, I know what I did wrong. No, sit down, journal your trades, pen and paper or a trading journal. See, what did you do wrong on this trade? What could you have done better on this trade? What do your last 10 losing trades have in common? What do your last 10 winning trades have in common? I'm going to cut out what the losers have in common. I'm going to keep doing what the winners have in common. That's how you build your edge. That's how you keep sharpening your strategy. And that's one of the keys to adapting to these market shifts. Market is always going to be never ending shifting. And it's crucial for you to shift with it, or else you're going to get burned. About to go to the gym. This is what we're looking pre-pump. So I've been eating really healthy and I go every single day. I'll update you guys on there. Maybe I'll show you guys a few workouts. Okay, I just got to the gym. Currently in the AMG. I'm hitting chest today and probably chest and back. I usually do this split. Chest tries, back buys, leg shoulders, rest, chest back, arm shoulders. Do have a broken thumb right now, so I can't do like these types of movements like bench. So as you guys can see, my thumb, it's broken and displaced. It's got an x-ray and everything. It's popped out. But dude, I just love this car. I seriously love this car. It's just beautiful. Like, ugh. I'm blessed. All right, I'm gonna go in there. I'll show you guys some of my workouts. Let's go.
2/3 of the week on no sleep, cause I never had a Jeep. And my mum works late every eve. Monday looking kinda bleak. I don't want my zoo to finish. Night and day doing black British. Now I need a fresh trim for the image. Yeah, I told the girl you can't come to my yard. That's what I do.
So the physique's looking like.
Got some quests from West. Adventures of tinted. Like, you just got a lease on my heart. My mental shifted. The dad clock that nobody's listening.
It's Friday night. It's 9 p.m. and most kids my age are out partying and having fun, and this is what my day looked like today. So I woke up, went to school, traded in school. Hundreds of people made money with me today, and it was the best thing in the world. Then got home from school, reviewed the market a little bit, did some more work, hopped on a literal 3-hour meeting, made some more content, straight to the gym. And but don't feel bad for me. I'm not saying this like, oh, I wish I can go party and stuff like that. No, this is my version of, they have fun partying and stuff. I have fun doing this stuff. I have fun bettering myself. I have fun changing people's lives and building cool things and just the journey, everything. This is what I enjoy. This is what I love. I love making myself better, and I love the grind, and I love the hustle, and I love the journey, and I love the freedom. I love everything about it. This is what I enjoyed. This is like, they like to go and do that, I like to go and do this. So yeah, don't feel bad for yourself. And if you're in like the position that I'm in as a kid right now, grinding, or at any age, and you feel like you're sacrificing, that's okay. You need to be able to do that. That's a must. It's a must. You think you're gonna be successful, you think you're gonna be the top 1% being balanced, because the truth is you're not. Balance is a scam. Balance is the biggest BS when you're grinding. Obviously, once you get it, there's no point of life if you don't have it once you succeed. But when you're grinding, when you're trying to become a profitable trader, when you're building that company, you need to give it your all. Like you're not going to be balanced and become part of the 1%. You're not. You need to be unbalanced. You need to be all in. And I'm sure that's not what you guys want to hear. I'm basically telling you guys that your life's going to be trading when you're trying to become a profitable trader. But that's true.